Craving something crunchy but want to stay healthy? These toasted chickpeas are your new obsession. First, dry your chickpeas and gently roll them in a towel to loosen the skins. This is the secret to maximum crunch.
Toss them in canola oil, cumin, and a hint of red pepper for a savory kick.
Spread them evenly on a baking sheet. These are packed with 5 grams of protein and 6 grams of fiber.
Bake at 300 degrees for about 100 minutes. Don't forget to stir them every 20 minutes.
Only 120 calories per serving. Perfectly crispy, totally addictive. Save this recipe and try it today.